In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix, a step-by-step guide for beginner bloggers. Hit publish today. By the end, you'll have a functional blog added to your Wix website, your first post live, and a quick way to share it with your audience. First, open your Wix website editor for the site you want to blog on. This is your main workspace, where you design pages and manage features. Now, look to the left side of the editor and click the highlighted option shown on your screen to access the site's tools. This opens the panel where you can add new features. Choose Blog. This tells Wix you want the built-in blogging functionality, which includes blog pages, a post list, and a post editor that's easy to use. Click Add to Site. Wix will set up your blog structure and add a blog dashboard. Give it a moment while it creates the pages and connects everything behind the scenes. When it's ready, select Write Post. This opens the post editor so you can create your very first article. In the highlighted title field, type your post title. Keep it clear and benefit-driven so readers know exactly what they'll get. A good title also helps with search engines, so include a key phrase someone would actually type. Next, in the main editor area that's highlighted, type your content. Break it into short paragraphs, add subheadings, and use images where it helps. Aim for clarity over perfection. If you add images, write simple alt text to describe them. This improves accessibility and SEO. When your post looks good, click Publish. If a confirmation appears, click Publish again to finalize it. Your post is now live on your site's blog page. You'll see options to share and promote your blog post. Click Share and promote your blog post to open Wix's built-in sharing tools. From there, click the highlighted option to choose where to share or to copy your post link. Decide on the channel that makes sense for you: social platforms, email, or simply copying the link to use anywhere. Click Post to share it. That sends your new article to the platform you selected or confirms the share action. Back in the editor, review the highlighted prompts or settings if shown, then click Publish to push any remaining site changes live. This ensures your blog layout and navigation updates are visible to visitors. Finally, click Done. That closes the flow and brings you back to the editor. That's it. You've added the Wix blog, written your first post, published it, and shared it. Keep your momentum by posting regularly, using clear titles, and linking related posts to help readers explore more of your content.